In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the new updates in Clickup Chat. Whether you're new to Clickup or a seasoned user, navigating through the latest features might seem a bit overwhelming at first. So let's walk through it together, step by step. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Clickup's official website. It's a powerful all-in-one app designed to help streamline your work and team collaboration. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and click on the Login button, usually located at the upper right corner of the page. If you've used ClickUp before, this step should feel quite familiar. Now, when the login page appears, you have the option to sign in using Google. If you've linked your ClickUp account with your Google account, this will make things much simpler. Just click on Sign In to Google, and you'll be redirected to choose your Google account from the list of your associated accounts. Simply select the relevant account, and with your credentials already stored, this should promptly log you into the ClickUp system. Upon successful login, take a moment to absorb the interface and then locate the View option. This is where you can access your ClickUp spaces and features. Ensure you're in the correct workspace to avoid any confusion and to streamline your workflow. Next, direct your attention to the chat feature. This is one of ClickUp's communication tools that's been enhanced with the latest updates. It's a great way to keep in touch with your team or colleagues without having to switch between different apps. Clicking on chat will open up the corresponding interface where you can see and manage all your chat engagements. You're likely to want to create a new chat to make use of this feature. Start by giving your chat a name. This might sound simple, but it's quite crucial as it helps in organizing multiple discussions and makes navigation easier. Be clear and concise with your naming so all participants know exactly what the chat is for at a glance. From here, you might want to adjust the sharing and permission settings. This allows you to control who can view or participate in the conversation. Adjust these settings to fit your collaboration needs. Finally, you'll notice an option to copy link. Clicking here generates a shareable link to your chat, which you can then distribute to team members or stakeholders who need to join the conversation. It's a quick way to bring everyone on board without having to manually invite them through other means. And there you have it, you're all set to explore and make the best use of ClickUp Chat's new updates. Onwards to efficient communication and collaboration with your team. Thanks for watching and happy chatting.